What's up, my name is Nex and today I'm teaching you guys how to make this for your YouTube channel or Twitch. It's completely free and it helps you so much in your Twitch streams or YouTube. Before we get into this though, if you find this video helpful or really anything, make sure to drop a like, maybe even subscribe because we'll be posting more content like this and much more in the future. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. So first things first, what you guys want to do is head over to nerdordie.com. And then once you're here, you want to go to resources and then all free resources. Then you simply just want to do sort by popularity. So once you get here, you simply just want to click on social media pop out. There will also be a link directly to this in the description. Once you're here, you just want to click on 0 or type in 0 here, then add to cart. And then once in your cart, you just want to hit proceed to checkout. Then you simply just want to fill out all this information here. You don't have to fill out all this information down here, but it's definitely helpful. Then you simply just want to click place order. And then once you're here, you just want to click on download. Once you're done, you just want to hit show file and then right click and extract files. Once this pops up, you just want to click on it. And then once you're here, you just want to click on readme. It'll bring you here. So once you're here, you just want to add the logos that you want in your channel, or you can add custom ones too. I'm gonna go Twitch, YouTube, but I'm also gonna add a custom logo. You simply just want to go to wherever file you have and click on whatever logo you want. I'm gonna add a TikTok logo because I also have a TikTok. And then once you're here, you just want to add the names of each account. Then once you're done, you just want to click on download image and download settings. Once they've downloaded, you just want to take these two. So we just want to add these to settings and images. Once you've done that, you just want to click on this link right here. Here's where you really can customize it. You can customize the color of really anything here and also the font and a bunch more. First off, I'm going to actually change the color. Icon box, I'm going to leave white, but this I'm going to change to the color of my logo. Then here you can choose your font. Here you can just search a font or open a font you already have on your file, or choose a font from one of these fonts that they already have. I just chose Passion One, which is one of the fonts they have. Then here you can change the font size, the Y offset, and also the font weight. Me personally, I'm just going to change the font size up a little bit so it's a little bit bigger. Now let's focus on this. This is going to be one of the key components of this. This is very key because this is going to be how long each animation takes and when it's going to restart. I personally want to set this down to 30 seconds and this down to 4. That just speeds it up a bit so you can get through a bit quicker and it doesn't seem like it's just sitting there for a long time. And then once you're done and you have the way you like it, just hit download. And then once it's downloading, just like before, we're going to take this and put it in the images and settings folder. And then just like that, you're done and you can actually put it into your Twitch. This is actually super simple. All you have to do is add a new browser source, hit local file, browse, go to your social media pop-out folder, click on pop-out files. You can either have a left social media pop-out or a right social media pop-out. I'm going to go with right. And then once you're done, you should have something like this pop up. I made this a while ago for mine, I've been using it since, and honestly it's so amazing. I just keep it really small in the bottom right hand corner just so it's a little something and it's not really too big and too obvious. So if you liked this content and felt like it was helpful, make sure you drop a like and maybe even subscribe too. I'll be posting more content like this and much more on gaming and so much more in the future. Also go check out my TikTok, it'll be a link in the description. See ya.